Hi, Domenica here from easysewingforbeginners.com. In this quick video today, I'll be talking about the handheld sewing machine power adapter. So in my how to operate the handheld sewing machine YouTube video, I've had quite a few people ask me in the comments section about the power adapter. So you may have noticed that there is a hole here for a power adapter. It doesn't come with one, and these are usually operated with batteries, but it does have the option if you have an adapter. Okay, so I managed to find one. I had a mini sewing machine that came with a power adapter that looked like this, and I tried it and it actually worked. So if you have a mini sewing machine lying around, you might have an adapter already. You just need to be careful though, because my other mini sewing machines have an adapter that looks like this. So that one obviously wouldn't fit into that hole. Okay, so quite simply, makes it really easy to plug into a power supply and save a bit of money on batteries. I've got it plugged in. I don't have any batteries in the machine at the moment. I'll just put a bit of fabric in there so you can see in action, and works just the same as batteries. Okay. So an adapter could be a good option for you if you use a handy stitch a little bit and you want to save on batteries. Now, I had a good look online and I found them on the US Amazon. I'll put a link in the description box down below if you want to check them out. But otherwise, if you Google handheld sewing machine power adapter or handy stitch power adapter, then you should find something that's relevant for your country, hopefully. Okay, I hope you found this video useful. Hit the thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below if you have any other questions, or if you just want to leave a comment. Subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.